Today's a big match between Australia and England. The England are fighting back after a loss to Ireland, and Australia's out to prove that they're better than everyone else tonight at the G. We'll see if we can get on there after the bit of the rain we've had.
Welcome to the MCG for the England versus Australia match. We have a marriage breakup happening here. Jacinta, who are you going for?
Australia.
Why is that?
Because I'm Australian.
And who do you think is going to be the star player today?
I think it's going to be maybe Smith.
Good to be back in the team.
Yep.
You reckon he's going to be the top scorer?
Yes, I do.
And Chris, is it going to be a long journey home if England win?
Go to Poms!
He's going to be the top wicket taker today.
Sam Curran.
Good call. That's it from the MCG. Thank you.
Come on, you Poms. Yeah? Come on, you Poms. Let's bloody go this, all right? Let's bloody go. Here we go. Cheers, mate. I'll take this with me.
We are very excited. We are here to support Australia, but it's bad that the rain is not going away. But we are thinking that the rain will go away and then the match will continue and Australia will win. Yay! Say Australia! Yay! All good?
I believe the rain is.
आज हम इंग्लैंड को सपोर्ट करने आए हैं. पिछले संडे को इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच था. वैसे वाला माहौल तो नहीं है, पर कोशिश करेंगे इंग्लैंड को सपोर्ट करेंगे आज. और ये मेरा दोस्त ऑस्ट्रेलिया को करेगा.
हाँ, हमने आपस में बेट लगाई हुई थी और मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया को सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. पिछले हफ्ते हम इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच देखने आए थे, काफ़ी क्राउड था, लेकिन आज बारिश के कारण थोड़ा कम लग रहा है. इंशाल्लाह देखें क्या होता है आगे.
पहले हम लोग इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान देखने आए थे. वो तो इट वाज एन अमेजिंग मैच. इतना कट थ्रोट था, बट इट्स नॉट एज सेम. बट डेफिनेटली आज तो मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया को ही सपोर्ट करने आई हूँ बिकॉज वी लिव हियर एंड आई लव मैक्सवेल, तो बस उसी को सपोर्ट करने आई हूँ. होपफुली विल विन. थैंक यू.
Okay, I'm a supporter of Australia, of course, but I'm a Queenslander down here with my grandson and son for his 5th birthday, and he's seeing the cricket for the first time in his life. And my son, who's 35, it's the first time he's been to this stadium. So he's down here for his birthday, and we hope we get a few innings in, and I hope Australia wins.
Number 6.
There'll be more of those from the Poms.
There'll be more.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to a great match. We just want to get some cricket. England obviously going to do the necessary and put the Aussies to shame, and we'll be going for it.
I'm here at the cricket. This is Ange.
Yeah, g'day guys. Hope we get a game in today.
Yeah, go the Aussies.
Up the Aussies.
Go on the Aussies!
The weather's not looking great here. Hopefully we get a couple overs in.
Yeah, hopefully.
Right.
Yep.
It's England.
Make sure you give him his...
Yeah, look, we got a big match ahead with the Aussies v England. Tied of the Ashes series. I think Finchie's got a big game ahead of us, and if we can knock off a few blokes early, we're in for a big chance here. So, can you Aussies? Let's go, you Aussies!
Anyone? Just tell me when you're ready. So obviously a huge game tonight, you know, Aussies do or die, you know, it's if we lose we're done, we win we're still a chance. So Mitchell Stark, couple of Yorkers, mate, in and out, there it is, there's 6 for, right, Aaron Finch, huge game, mate, all right, seriously, all right, do or die for you as well, mate.
Of the Packers.
So yeah, so go Aussies, huge night tonight, 60,000 plus expected, it's going to be a big night, and yeah. Go Australia!
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Wow! Can you, Aussies?
Well, we're going for Australia and they're going for England. But the Aussies are going to win.
Yeah,
Yeah.
100%.
99.
Yes, they are.
99.
We've got Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Oi, oi, oi.
Here at the MCG. Here to support Australia. Hopefully the rain stays away and we can get a game in. Really excited to see the result because it's a big game for both teams. And it should be fun. Go Australia.
England, go England!
Yay!
Hey, go England! Come on, Aussies! Go England!